some modifications in our customer page. In the previous class, I have explained you how to uh, do registration login. Now I will show how to do the modifications in our customer. Okay, customer module. Am I audible? Just show me thumb like that. In case if I have any issue, you can. Yeah. Just wait a second. It's taking too long. Yeah. This is our project, right? This is our project. I'll run the project now. Yeah. Here is the link to open my project. What is going on, right? Yeah. Yeah. This is my page. Yeah. This is my page, right? I have created contact and also customer. In customer, I have done with registration and also this login. And I have, if I click on this login by using the registration details, I can go into customer home page. Yeah, this is my customer home page. Okay, this is my customer home page. I have not done any modifications in my customer home page. Okay, just simply I have used this. I use that at the main header only. But now, according to my requirement, I have to maintain different headers for each and every module. Okay, in customer header, I have also created this customer header, but in customer header, I don't need this contact customer about and all. I need only home page. That is also customer home page, not the index. Okay, now I will change this index to customer home. Okay, customer home. Now if I try to refresh it, customer home. Okay, I have to go and check whether that URL is there or not. Yeah, I don't have any customer home URL, so I have to create customer URL. But before that, I have to write views for that customer home. Just I have created customer home.html. That's it. I have not created any views or URLs for that. Now I'm going to create uh, URLs for customer home views and URLs for customer home page. There I am taking my function name as customer home request return under request customer home dot html. That's it. This is my customer home function. Now I am going to write URLs for this function. Path customer home comma use dot customer home comma equal to customer home. I created views and URLs for my customer home. Now I'm going to work with that URL in my page. I have mentioned only customer home in my customer header. Now I'm going to refresh it once again. Yeah, here. If you observe, I have only home in my customer header. Okay, I'm working with only home. But to go back, I have to click this back button. If I click on this, I'll get the main header, which I have four nav tags here, four tags here, home, about, sorry, four header tags here, home, about, contact and customer. If I click on login with the credentials, I will go to the new customer home page. Here I will have only home. Okay. In real time also, if you once you get login into your any website, if you log in with your own credentials which you have registered, you will go to the page where a different header, a different options will be available for the only customers. In main page, you will not be able to see all of them, but when you log in, you can see some different uh, uh, links and all, right. In the same way, we are doing with the same methodology. Now I have home, but every time I can't click on this. So I will create a logout here. If I click on that logout, it has to go to customer uh, page. Okay, this login page. Now I'll create views for login. Sorry, views for login. I will create like my function name I'm taking as customer logout request. Here I'm going to use return redirect. Redirect. Up to now, I have used return render request. Now I am going to use redirect. Also, already we have done this in our dummy website, which we have created before, which we have practiced before. Redirect. First, you have to import that. First of all, you have to import that function in your views, and then you can use it easily. Return redirect. Redirect, and simply you have to pass the URL called customer. Whatever the URL you want, you can pass it. After taking logout, where it has to go, you should know. Then you can use that page URL here. Okay, in your, if you want to create any your own website, you can redirect to whatever the page you want. You can redirect to that page. Now I'm going to write URL for this path. Customer logout use dot function name customer logout, and I have to give a name for this customer logout. Okay, I have written URL for this. Now I have to add this in my customer header. Okay, I have two headers now, main header and customer header. Okay, in customer header, I need this logout URL. Same as above, I have to mention all the classes at all. Okay, LOGO. Just I take this name as logout as per real time. Menu. The tag. This logout I have to view in between anchor tags, not between list. Okay, list tags. Okay, sure. Already I have URL for customer logout. URL customer logout. Okay, customer logout. Now, when you try to log in, you will get home and logout. Okay, the page is getting refreshed. The page back. Okay, the page not. Push it once again and go to customer homepage. Okay. Right.
Sir, your
Take
screen
this
is
one.
not appearing.
Yeah. Okay. That's what I want to ask. Okay. Thank you for your information. Actually, I have asked that. Okay, no problem. I'll explain once again what I've done up to now. First of all, I have created a customer header in previous class, right? I'm sorry. Yeah. I have two types of headers, main header and customer header. Okay. In main header, I will have the basic functional, basic operations where you want to know about that website, and if you want to contact that, you whatever the requirements you want to approach for that website, you will have the main functionality in the main page. But when you try to register with your credentials, and when you register with your details, and when you try to log in with your credentials, it will go to another page which will have uh, your own functionalities in this. Okay, we will have your own functionalities. At present, I have my own home. Okay, and logout. Logout means it will go to the main page, but you should not log out simply like that. You should here I have written only views for logout here, but I have done nothing here. Just I have redirected to the if I have any functionalities like change password like that. If I have those functionalities, if if I have logged out to from that website again, if we click this back option, he will go to the main page. Okay, so how can we say that this is working perfectly? So it should not go right. It should not work with that functionalities. So I have said you that when you try to when you return that login function of function, you have written some session, the session also, right? Here you have written to create a session with the email in that session. You have to delete that session. Okay, request dot request session dot flush. Okay, request dot session dot flush. Just by adding this one line into your customer logout, it will it don't allows to see the profiles and all. Okay, simply you can go to the page, but and also you can do many things like that, but it will not allow to do the remaining operations in your website. Okay, Now, if I want to modify this page, I will remove all these stuff in my page. I will keep only this page here. This is my customer home, right? Yeah. Remove all this content. I don't want all this, okay? You can modify for your requirement, okay? You can modify however you want to see your website, you can modify according to your requirement, okay? This will if the changing doing some modifications here will not reflect into your index page. We have just copied the content of my index page and I've pasted here. I'm using that content. That's it. I'm not uh, be reflected. I'm removing all the content here. I don't want all this in my customer home. Okay? Just I want that image of image. That's it. Yeah. If you have to, sorry. Yeah. So much content have been removed from my homepage, and also I will remove this also. Yeah. Yeah. Now I have only image and footer. That's it. I don't have any other stuff in my customer home. Now I want to remove this content also, and I will keep here as welcome. Welcome to customer, like that. I want to keep some uh, message here. I don't want all this stuff here. Yeah. If you want to add any other data, any other images in your customer home, you can add it. You can also replace that image. Okay. Now there is a difference between our index page and also customer home page. Okay, this is a customer home page. Okay. Now in customer home page, what are the basic functionalities we'll have means we'll have home, logout, customer profile. We can see our details, right? Profile and change password, giving the old password and new password, and it will validate whether it is correct or not, and it will change the password, right? The same way you can do the operations in our customer home. Now I'm going to do profile in my customer. Okay. I'll take template templates new HTML page as customer profile. Customer profile. Okay. Yeah. In this, I'll take contact page. Okay. I'll have contact page here because taking uh, customer homepage is having very big image, right? It was filling my window, so I'll take contact page where I have only half image, half window image. We'll see in customer profile. A to B. Yeah. Now I should change the header here. If you keep this header tag go to over there, so you have to change customer header here because we have a customer header here. Okay. Now I have to write views for this for customer profile. If customer profile request. First of all, I will try to open the page, and afterwards I will try to write the logic for retrieving data. Already I have shown you how to retrieve the data. Okay. Return render redirect. Sorry. Return render request. Request profile dot html customer profile dot html, and I'll write URL for this, and I'll give the URL in my customer header, not in main header. Okay, it has to show in my page only. Okay, path customer profile dot profile comma customer profile. Okay, I have to give this in my customer header to display that profile in my customer header. Okay, same list tag I have to take, same classes and all. Tag list tag I have to take another anchor tag. In that anchor tag I have to give profile, and I have to pass the name in href URL is my URL, right? Customer profile, and here I have to give the class as menu active. My profile page is visible or not. Don't confuse between the main header and customer header. Okay, I'll refresh here, and refreshing I got a profile here. If I click on profile, I'll get the contact us page and some form here. Now I'll modify this form into my profile page now. Okay, like this, you have to use your previous code and you can modify according to your requirement. Okay, there is no need to create the page from the first onwards. Okay, if you want to do that way, if you can do when you are when you have some free time, you can go through all these tags and all. These are nothing but we will find all these content in our CSS. Okay, just we will give it some name, inbuilt functionalities or CSS tags where we have in our template. Okay, now I have to modify this contact as to some my profile or my details or whatever the thing you want, you can use there. how you want to represent your website, you can use like that. Here, I don't need any section here. Just simply, I want a table to display my profile details. That's it. Okay. Now I'll go here and I'll refresh the page. Yeah. Here I can find my profile background image with my profile tag and a footer here. Now I'm going to add uh, table here. Okay. Already we have used this table tag. In table tag, we'll have table head, t head. In t head, we'll have here in tr, we'll have th. In th, whatever the details we have in our models except password. I don't want to see password in my profile page. Okay. Uh, models. Models I have name, email, mobile address, city, pin code. Name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 fields. So I'll use 6 tags here. So in th, I will use name. Mobile. Address. City, pin code. Okay. These are my headings. I don't want to display my password in my profile page. T body, I have to give the data, right? In T body, we'll have some tr. In tr, we'll have table data, td. Okay. Okay, like this, we will have six columns. Okay, and give that also. Five, six, 12, td. I have not written any logic, so I am not using any for loop or anything here to get the data. First of all, I'll see the alignment in my page and upload. I'll try to do some modifications in my program. Yeah, just I got header tags in some corner here. Now I'll try to get the data. Let's see how the alignment will get changed. Views, I have to get the data in my customer profile now. By using session, I'm going to get the data. Okay, before we have uh, uh, we retrieve the data by using ID. No, here now by using email we are going to retrieve the data. Email that okay, after login we will get an email. No, now I'll show email equal to request session email. The meaning of this line is you are getting the email of the session into this email variable. Okay, you are getting when you are login, a session will be created, right? So this email is storing in this variable. Okay, in this variable, from this variable I am going to get the data. Okay. is equal to from my table. My table name is customer dot uh, objects dot objects dot get email equal to email. Okay. Now I have to pass the data here. So DJ origin. Okay. Or else I will take X here so that directly I can use X there. If I get the data like this, I'll get a single data, right? Single row here. If I have multiple rows, I have to use filter. But I have only single rows, so there is no need to use for loop in my template. Okay, customer profile directly I can use x dot name. X dot name, x dot mobile, x dot address, double forward brackets only you have to take the data. Okay, x dot city, x dot pin code. Okay, now I will try to see the data here. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, successfully I have retrieved my data, but the thing is here the data is the website looking very unfamiliar. That means it is looking very odd to whenever anyone went to any website and if they want to see the profile, if they see like this, they will have some negative impression on this website, right? Now I'll I will change some alignments here. Simply I have some inbuilt alignments here. I have to use class table hyphen or table border. Before we have previous class, we have created table, but we have not used this class because in this we have inbuilt CSS and SSL files now. So directly it will take from over there because we have loaded all CSS files by using this customer header, right? In customer header, we'll have all those CSS files. Let's see what will happen now. Just I have used a single word here. I got some table format, but it is very there is no space around the table now. And now I will create a space around my table. To get space around my table, just use div tags class equal to m hyphen 3 margin hyphen 3. Okay, how much space you want, you can take number like that. I am using m3. You can also use m2, m5, m6, like that. Whatever the number you want, you can use. If I try to refresh, yeah, here I got some space around my table. This is looking somewhat good, right? Okay. Now now I have returned my data by using the email in the session now. Okay. Now I will show you one thing. I will not click any logout here. I will go back like this. Yeah, I went to customer login page now. Now I'll if I click on this, I'll go to customer homepage, and if I click on profile, wait, logout. If I click on logout, my session will get deleted. Yeah, my session will get deleted. Okay. Now, if I click on back button, I will get an error like this. But before, we have not got any error. Okay. If I log in only, I can go to the customer home page. Okay. If I click logout, I can't come back to this page because the session will be created in my page now. That's why. Okay. I'll get an error like this. Okay. So that's why logout, you have to mention session in logout also. Okay. Yes. Now I have created profile here. In profile, we already done how to delete profile, how to delete profile, and also how to update profile, right? We have not, think we are pending with change password. Okay. Uh, Today I'll try to complete this update profile, and after tomorrow we can do that change password. I have done this customer page. No, you have to do an admin page same as it is how I have done this customer page. In the same way, you have to do an admin page, admin module. How means here you have home, about, contact, right? Customer I have created. In the same module, you have to create it as admin here. Okay. So that I can show you how to do accept and reject operations in our project. Here, this is same as like Instagram. If you someone have Instagram private accounts, we have to give some request. I think you have to give follow request, and if they accept only, you can access. You can see their posts and all, right. The same way, if you try to register, if you register with this website, when you try to click on login, it will not go to login page until and unless the admin accept your request. Then only you can able to log into that page. That functionality we can do. Okay. Try to do this admin functionality. Okay. Admin module. Complete this admin module by tomorrow, so that I can show you how tomorrow, day after tomorrow, so that I can show you how to do that accept and reject concept in our project. Okay. Now I will show you how to update profile in my project profile. Here I will show you update and delete operations. Okay. Step one, I will show you delete operation. After that, if we have time, we can go to that update operation. Okay. Save, delete profile, request. How you have done this by using this session? In the same way, I'm going to do delete profile in my uh, delete profile also by using this session only. Email equal to request dot session email. Session. Okay. Obj equal to customer dot object dot get email equal to email obj dot delete. Delete return redirect customer. Okay. Now I have to, there is no need to create any HTML page for this delete profile, because by clicking on that, link only, I have to get some pop-up, and when I click on OK, it will get deleted. but there will be no page. It will it will not redirect to any other page, right? So there is no need to create any page for delete profile. Okay. Now I'm going to write URLs for delete profile path. Before also in previous project also I have done this delete profile, but at that time I have used the delete profile by passing an ID. But now I'm creating this delete profile function by using this session. Okay, you dot delete file comma equal to delete profile. Okay, delete profile, delete profile, delete profile. Okay. Now I have to give this in my customer profile. Okay, in customer profile, I have to add another head, some delete. Here I have to pass this URL. In DD, I have to take an anchor tag. Anchor tag, I will go to href. URL, delete profile. Okay, I have done this delete profile. Now I'll get okay. I got some delete here, but I didn't get anything here because I have given nothing here. Delete. I got a link here, but if I click on this link, it will get deleted immediately. So I need a pop-up. Okay, like warning on click equal to return and in this quotes, whatever the message you want, you can use it. Really want delete. Yeah. If I click on this link, I should get a pop-up link. But before that, I don't want to see the link like this. I don't want to see a link simply like this. I need this in a button format. Here I can use button format by using class button hyphen danger. Danger means red color. Okay, primary means blue color. Success means green color. Okay, yeah, I got a button here. Simply I have to click on this. If you want to change the size of the button, you can use px and py like that, so that the size of the button can also be increased. If I click on this link, if I click on OK, the profile gets deleted and it will go to the customer home page. And if I try to click on login, I'll get a message like invalid credentials. So here the data is not stored in DB. The stored data got deleted by clicking that delete button. So just right. Yeah, here in customer table, I don't find any data related to customer@gmail.com. I have the data of client@gmail.com, but I don't have the data of customer@gmail.com. Okay, like that you can delete the data by using the session also. But I mean by using that ID also you can able to delete the data. Already I have shown you. I've shown you this email session because we have you have missed that concept in our basic Django project. So I've shown in this integrated template web project. Okay. 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 Tomorrow I will show you how to update profile and also change password I think by day after tomorrow, I can show you accept and reject. I think yeah, day after tomorrow we'll have a class, right? I can show you accept and reject concept also. We can cover that concept also. But try to do this admin module on your own within 2 days, okay? Then only we can able to go further so that you can able to understand the concept very clearly, okay? Uh, if you have any doubts, you can ask me. Hi, Krishna, do you have any doubts today's class? Okay, okay, Sai Krishna. If you have any doubts, you can message me. Okay. Try to do practice day by day, daily. Okay. Don't forget your practice. Okay. Okay, okay, Sai Krishna. Okay, you can leave the meeting. That's all about today's class. Have a nice day. Bye.